If you want to build real wealth, stop asking what you should buy to look rich. Start asking what you can buy that can grow your wealth. Here are 7 assets worth understanding. Number 1, stocks. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of a company. If the company grows and becomes more valuable, your investment can potentially grow with it. Some stocks also pay dividends, giving investors a potential source of income. Number 2, ETFs. An ETF lets you own a basket of investments through one fund. Instead of putting all your money into one company, you can spread it across many companies or assets. For beginners, diversified ETFs can be a simple way to build a portfolio. Number 3, index funds. Index funds are designed to follow a market index. Instead of trying to guess which individual company will win, you invest across the market. This makes them popular with long-term investors. Number 4, real estate. Property can potentially generate rental income while increasing in value over time, but you don't always need to buy an entire property. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning and managing a building. Number 5, businesses. Owning a business can be one of the most powerful assets you can build. A successful business can generate cash flow and potentially become more valuable over time. You can start small with a service, online business, or digital product. Number 6, bonds. Bonds allow you to lend money to a government or company in exchange for interest. They generally have lower growth potential than stocks, but they can provide stability and income in a diversified portfolio. Number 7, your own skills. This is the asset most people ignore. Learning sales, coding, marketing, investing, communication, or another valuable skill can increase your ability to earn money. And the more you earn, the more capital you can put into other assets. But here's the important part. You don't need to buy every asset on this list. Your age, income, goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation all matter. The goal isn't to collect random investments. The goal is to build a portfolio of quality assets that fits your plan. Stop spending every extra dollar on things that lose value. Start putting some of your money toward things that have the potential to grow. Because looking wealthy is temporary, owning assets is how you start building real wealth. If you want a complete step-by-step system for budgeting, saving, investing, and building long-term wealth, check out the Wealth Blueprint. The link is in the description. Subscribe to Wealth Archive for more videos on investing, money, and financial freedom.